Good afternoon, children. Today I will show you how hibiscus flower can be dissected in a very simple way. Before dissecting, let us see the parts of a flower. This is the pedicel, that is the stalk of the flower, and this is the episepal, which you can see, and these are the sepals, which holds the petals together. And you can see the bright petals here, all 5 petals of a hibiscus. And then this is the stigma of the flower, the style and the stigma, and these are the filament and anther. So now let us do the dissection. So for that I will just remove only the 2 petals, so that you can view all the parts together. So I am just slowly removing the sepal. So where now you can see all together. You have a pedicel, sepal, and then the petal, and this is the ovary which is covered by the sepals. Now how do we do the dissection? So now let us see. I will remove all the anther and the filament, which is so thin. You can see the filament and the anther, which is yellow in color. You can see if you just powder it, the anther is just powdery substance. Let me remove all the anther so that we can view the style inside, how it appears to be. Now this is the stigma at the tip. This is the stigma. So now you can see the whole female reproductive part. I have removed all the male, that is stamen and anther, that is the male reproductive parts. So now I'll slowly just cut open the style. This is the style, is the long tube. So you can see with the pin in a very slow manner, you have to cut open the style. And now I think I'll show you the pollen tube inside this. This is the pollen tube. You can see this very thin white tube. That is the pollen tube through which the pollen grain enters. The thin pollen tube, white color. Okay, so now let me continue that and dissect slowly. Now I am coming to the ovary part. So you need to open it very delicately, so that you can see inner view of the ovary can be clear. So with my hand I have cut open the ovary. Now you can see the ovary inside, that yellow color oval shaped structure, and here is the ovules. Here is the ovule. You can see the ovule inside. This yellow inside this, you can see ovule. This is the ovule here inside. 1 minute. Now you can see here you can see now inner view, the small beaded structure. Yes, this is the ovule. So this is how you can dissect the flower. Now you can see all the parts together. So you have the sepals, the whole style and the stigma, the petals, all the parts can be seen very clearly if you do the dissection in a very simple way.